In this video, we will create, get, and modify the instance of local date and time. Let's create a new class, new Java class, and then local date time example. Let's create public static void main, and inside public static void main, we'll be creating an instance of local date and time. Local date time is equal to local date time dot now. Let's print out. Let's run this program. So you can see that it printed out the whole date and time. Now let's look at another example that how can I create it using other methods which are available using off. So local date time is equal to local date time dot off, and then with off you can provide, there are a lot of other options which are available where you can provide year, month, day of month, hours. So there are a lot of options which are available over here. So what you can do is that let's do one of the option here where we provide everything from year. Let's say year is 2018. And year is 2022, let's say, and 1, 12, 12, 12, and 12. And let's print out. Let's run this example. So you can see that it created an instance of local date time with a year of 2022, 01, 12, 12, 12, and 12. Now let's look at another way which we can create it is local date time by providing the local date and local time. So in this case, we'll be creating an instance using dot off and providing this one, providing local date instance and local time instance. So in this case, local date dot now and local time dot now. And let's print out and let's run this example. So it printed out 2020, 01, 2022, and then the time is 20:39:51. Now let's see example of get. So Southway and local date time dot get hour, then get minutes or get month, dot get minute, get second. So there's so many other options which are available, and I encourage you to try them. Try most of the options which you can, because there's so many learning you will get after implementing those options in your code. Now let's look at an example of, let's look one example we're using chrono field. So Southway and local date time dot get. Let's move this to the next line. And within this, I'll be providing a temporal, which is a chrono field dot month of the year. Now let's run this example. So you can see that I printed out get hour, month, minute, seconds, and here using the month of the year is 1. Now let's look at the option of modifying and South P. In this case, local date time dot plus years, 3 years, and South P local date time dot plus hours, 4 hours, and dot plus minutes, and minutes is 60 minutes. And the other option which we'll be doing is through the chrono field. So South P local date time dot width, and here with the width we'll have to provide the chrono field. So chrono field, move to the next line, chrono field dot hour of day and 3. And another option with width is where we are setting up the value of local date time to local time dot midnight. Now let's run this program. So you can see that local date time dot plus 3 is 2023, plus hours is 2020, and then 00 plus minutes with chrono field, and afterwards local date time dot width, and we are setting it to midnight. So these are some of the examples of local date time. I definitely encourage you to go through most of the options which are available and try on your own.